We have a question here from James C., who is an associate at a corporate firm in Manchester. And his question is, I've personally got good engagement on my LinkedIn posts about recent regulatory changes, but our firm page gets almost no interaction. Should I just focus on my personal profile instead, or is there value in building both? I'd say it's normal for personal LinkedIn profiles to get a lot more engagement than company pages, and I'd say it's especially the case in professional services firms. And the reason is that people engage with people, not brands. So your success with posts about regulatory changes on your personal profile shows that your network trusts your insights, and that's a lot harder to replicate on, say, a company page. That said, I think there's value in building both, but you need different expectations and strategies for each. So if we look at your personal profile, which is your primary focus, I just keep doing what you're doing. So keep leveraging that, and you're getting that strong engagement, and people are naturally going to follow and interact with your individual content rather than your firm's. Continue sharing updates as you are, but on occasion, if you want to grow that company page, you might tag it in the post. So you might tag it. It'll give people that prompt to kind of click on it and also follow your firm page. This is kind of a no-brainer. I imagine you're already doing this. If people are leaving comments with you, engage with them. It just helps with visibility, reinforces your expertise and so forth. Now, if we look at the company page, the company page is probably, you mentioned you're an associate, so it's probably managed by, say, someone else in the firm. But regardless, think about the company page as being it's like kind of, while the engagement's going to be low, it still serves as a credibility marker for, say, potential clients who look up the firm. I would suggest you'd want to use the company page as like a repository for key content. So you might put some of your regulatory updates there, the ones maybe that have the highest impact or the broadest impact. Might also include like case studies and other thought leadership, like in different areas. With company pages, instead of relying like on organic engagement, so just sort of posting and hoping that people see it and comment and like and so forth, you can, on the admin side of the page, you can actually share that with team members and get them to then share and interact with the posts. Now, that's going to amplify your reach. If you really want to amplify your reach, you might want to consider LinkedIn ads. Obviously, you can't do that with your personal page, but you can do it with a company page. So you might consider LinkedIn ads for, say, some high value posts or really like content that you want to get in front of an audience that you might not already have, say, connections with. And that can be a pretty useful way of growing that reach, is running some ads. With the company pages, I would also say posting with consistency is a useful thing to do. Don't expect immediate traction. They tend to take a lot longer to build momentum. But if you keep posting with some sort of consistency, you will start to notice that your follower count on the company page will move up. So the best approach would be, I'd still prioritize your personal LinkedIn presence. I think that's going to always be the kind of the main driver of any engagement on LinkedIn, but maintain that company page as a professional hub. If you really want to increase that company page engagement, as I said, focus on, getting other people to share and like that kind of content. Consider the ads. You might want to post on your personal profile and have the company repost your posts. That might help. But I think ultimately your personal LinkedIn is where the real traction will happen.